Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Othman. For today it's again another 3D puff style. It's a 3D puff with a chain stitch, which means 3D puff and stitches on top of the threads, so on top of the puff. Basically it's gonna be 3 rows of triangles, and then the final result is gonna be like a chain basically. And for today we're gonna make us embroidery test, all the numbers and alphabets, and then I'm gonna make a word and put it on a hat, and we'll see how it's gonna be the final look. And again, to remind you, today is gonna be different threads. I'm gonna use a multicolored thread and a white puff. So the multicolored thread is gonna be a special guest for today. So yeah, let's begin. And first I'm gonna show you the stitch player, and then you're gonna see how the design is gonna be embroidered in the software, and then I'll show you how the preparation I do it in the machine. And yeah, let's jump right in. So this is the sample I've made. As you can see, numbers and alphabets. So first we're gonna do the test on all the design itself, and then, as I mentioned, I'm gonna put a word in a hat in a separate design and then embroider it. So I'm gonna do the player stitch here, and I'm gonna make a little bit faster for the demonstration purposes. So this is the word blessed. So as you can see, the stitch, it's a 3D foam, and this one is I'm gonna do this one in a different color, the chain stitch in a different color, but however the 3D puff, it's gonna be in a different color. So for the sequence, it's always recommended, especially doing the hat, start center out, bottom up. So I'm just gonna select S, start with the S, and then go to E, L, and B, and then S, and E, and then D, and then sequence them in a proper sequence. However, I just need to ungroup everything and select the 3D puff itself and change the color. Sorry, and then you change the color for every chain stitch. So that's the first sample. It's been done. Looks so nice actually. I like it. And what's left to do? I'm gonna need remove this pad, or remove this foam, and remove some loose threads. Apply some heat gun, so the from the foam is gonna shrink a little bit and make the design quite strong. So here it is, and let me clean it up. Final design. Just gonna remove the excess foam, and here you go. It turns so nice. I just need to clean up some loose threads. And apply same thing. Apply the head gun, and that's it. Here you go. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and comment and give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Ciao. Peace out. Made a lucky sky. Got a X-Men 5 to jump with